Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: ROM, platform tools, and drivers. Connect the phone with a charged battery. Make sure USB debugging and OEM unlock are enabled so the bootloader accepts flashes. Once done, verify the ROM matches your exact model, flashing the wrong file brick's hardware. Install platform tools on your PC and test DB devices to confirm connectivity. If the device doesn't appear, stop and reinstall drivers. Troubleshooting now saves hours later. You now reboot to the bootloader. Use a DB reboot bootloader or the device's key combo. Once in fast boot mode, flash partitions in order: boot, system, vendor, using fastboot flash partition commands to ensure proper partition mapping. If the ROM needs a custom recovery, flash that too, and then reboot into recovery to perform required wipes. Cache and dalvik/art. Make sure each command returns success. If a partition fails, recheck the file and retry, rather than forcing the process. You finish by rebooting the system and completing the initial setup. This confirms the ROM boots and basic services run. Once booted, verify Wi-Fi, cellular, sensors, and camera to confirm hardware integration. If things look good, restore your backup data. If you hit a boot loop or crashes, do not panic. Re-enter recovery or fast boot, reflash the correct boot image, or restore the stock firmware backup. That one troubleshooting step often recovers devices after incompatible or partial flash.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.